What's up guys, welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can disable your Instagram account. It's very simple and it's very fast, so let's get into it. So open your Instagram, and right here this is a new account I just created for this video. So now go into your profile and now click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Now click on settings and now scroll down and click on account. Now the next thing you're gonna have to do is scroll down, click on delete account. At the bottom of your screen you're gonna see delete account, so click on that. And now right here you can see two options. You can see disable account or delete account. So you can either delete your account or disable your Instagram account. So for this video I'm going to show you guys how you can disable your account. So just click on disable account and it's going to take you to a different page, so just wait for it to load. And right here what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to input the reason you're deactivating your account. But before you do that, you can read what the info says. It says you can deactivate your account instead of deleting, as you can see, which means that you can deactivate your account and you can log in whenever you want and your account will be reactivated again, or you can also delete your account. So you have two options right here. So now what you're gonna have to do is click on why are you deactivating your account. Click on that, and now right here you're gonna have to select a reason for deactivating your account. So you can select I'm too busy, just need a break, just whatever option you want to choose. You're gonna click on that. Too many ads. And the next thing you're gonna have to do is to continue. As you can see right here, to continue please re-enter your password. Now you're gonna have to click on that and input your password right here. So that's what you're gonna have to do. And when you input your password, at the bottom of the screen you can see temporarily deactivate account. That's all you have to do. Just go into your Instagram. I'll show you guys again. Go into your Instagram, click on the three lines at the top right corner of your phone and click on settings and accounts and scroll down and click on delete accounts. Click on disable accounts and wait for it to load. And now right here just input the reason and input your password and click on deactivate account. So guys, that's all you gotta do to deactivate your account. And also you can log in back your account whenever you want, and when you log in your account will be reactivated. Your account won't be deleted if you deactivate, so you can either delete or deactivate. So that's all you got to do. Just re-log in anytime you want and your account will be reactivated again. So thanks for watching. Like my videos and click on the notification button and please subscribe. Appreciate. Thanks for watching.